Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to optimize your SSD in Windows 11 so you can ensure trim is enabled and maintain maximum performance. This works on the latest Windows 11 version. First, click the Start button and type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Click Defragment and Optimize Drives from the results. In the list, select your SSD drive. Make sure the media type says solid-state drive. Click Optimize. Windows will run the trim command automatically. Now click Change Settings. Make sure Run on a Schedule is turned on. Set the frequency to weekly for best results. Click OK. Next, we will confirm trim is enabled. Right-click the Start button and click Windows Terminal. Type the following command exactly. I'll write it the description below. Press Enter. If the result shows DisableDeleteNotify equals 0, trim is enabled. If it shows 1, trim is disabled. To enable trim, type, I'll write it the description below. Press Enter. Now go to Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense to automatically clean temporary files. Restart your computer after making these changes. Your SSD is now optimized for better performance and longevity. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.